Lesson 6. Preparing for book clubs. Let's begin the lesson. Let's review first of all. We wrote a paragraph explaining a main idea of the text, the making of a scientist, and providing key details by quoting accurately from the text. Today we will continue to read The Templeton Twins Have an Idea, prepare for our first book club meeting by practicing our roles. Let's prepare. So all these are what you will need for today. Make sure you have your Templeton Twin book out. Let's work with words. Listen while I read The Templeton Twins Have an Idea. Make sure to keep track of the text according to your assigned book club role. Share what you marked with your club. So make sure there's each group is only 4 to 5 students. Remember there's the word wizard, character captain, what else was there? About 2 more. Timekeeper and discussion director. So we're going to read aloud chapter 1, chapter 2, and then the first 4 to 3 second half pages of chapter 2 again. So continue to read The Templeton Twins Have an Idea independently. Keep track of the text according to your assigned roles. Make sure you use the sticky notes to write down any message about life or human nature or any details. Make sure if your role is the character captain, you just focus on the characters. If your role is the timeline keeper, focus on what happened in the beginning of that chapter, end of the chapters that we read, the beginning, middle, and end. So, share with your group where you use sticky notes to mark the text. What is the context of the word? What do Abigail and John do that is unusual for kids their age? What might this tell us about their character or characters? What else did we learn about the professor in these chapters? What are the most important things that happened in these chapters? How much detail do we need to include on our timeline in order to remember that event? What does the narrator tell us that is important to us in chapter 2? So, homework. Your assignment, you will not be able to take your book home, so don't worry about this homework. So let's close. In this lesson, you learned how to track important information about vocabulary, characters, plot, and theme in The Templeton Twins Have an Idea. You also read and practiced your role to prepare for tomorrow's book club meeting.